Hey guys, welcome. My name is Dave Neale and I've been working in the entertainment industry since 2005, and that's included working on TV shows, Netflix shows, films, computer games, publishing, logo design, anything that comes along. And the whole time I have almost exclusively worked in Photoshop. So I've been using the program for almost 20 years. And I always like to learn new things, pick up new tips. So we're going to be touching on all of the tools, menus, settings, and hopefully giving you the fast track to a nice streamlined workflow, allow you to skip a lot of the learning curve that I had to go through. By the end of the tutorial, we'll also do an image start to finish so you can see how I would use the tools. But even if it's not exactly the way that you would, I'm hoping by the end you're going to have enough information to know either what the tools are that you want to use or where the tools would be that we haven't talked about and how to access those and learn about them in your own time. So a program like Photoshop is so huge that we're never going to be able to touch on every single tiny little setting. I'm going to hopefully touch on enough that you are pretty much going to know most, if not all, of Photoshop's capabilities. Hope you enjoy it. It was a bunch of fun sticking this one together, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. Cheers.